Hey, hi. So we are back again with the mostly asked question. AI invaded. Are you still wondering that software testing is a good choice in 2026? So let me tell you a good news. If you are a fresher or a career switcher or someone who's a professional wanted a growth into testing industry, software testing is still a good choice for you. So in next 2 minutes, I'll be telling you exactly why. So India IT industry is booming rapidly, and let me tell you, every company is using app and website these days, and they require testers to test their web applications. So yes, the answer is कि if you are looking to make a career into software testing, then it is a good choice. So you must be wondering that what software tester do. So software tester main job is to find bugs. They need to make sure that the user requirement is being properly met and the software is working properly at the end of the day for the layman public. So let me tell you the best part of it. You do not need any coding. So when it comes to salary, fresher usually get 4 to 8 lakh LPA depending on which companies they are joining, and experience go up to 20 lakh depending on the expertise they bring on table. You must be wondering, will AI replace software testing? The answer is big no. So AI is making testers more productive by automating repetitive tasks, but companies still need human testers for critical thinking, explanatory testing, and real-time world decision making. So if you learn automation testing with AI tools, you have a stronger career advantage. So you must be wondering how you should start your career. So start by learning the basic of manual testing, then move to automation testing, work on live projects, earn certifications, build your portfolio, and apply your internship and job. That's a roadmap to entering one of the India's fastest growing IT career. So if you are looking for a future ready IT career with strong demand, excellent salary growth, and global opportunities, software testing is definitely worth considering. Follow us for more career guidance, and if you want to start your software testing journey, check out the link in the description.